Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the playback option on the Rave application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should select a video that you want to watch with your friends, and then click on this settings option that you can find at the top of the screen. Then as you tap on the playback button, which is the first option, you can select from 4 options. The first one is leader's choice, meaning that it's the leader's privilege to select the playback. You can set it to autoplay, which means that the videos will be played automatically. The just play means that the videos will be played after each other, and the let's vote button means that you can vote between 2 or more videos. So the participants in your rave can vote. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.